Okay, the moment of truth. Let's start the car.
What's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's going to be fun today. I'm not gonna lie, I'm super excited about this. We are going to open the shop, take the Fast and the Furious Jetta out of the place, and make some room for the Civic Type R, which is outside right now. And I'm actually genuinely excited about this because we're going to do the first mod on the Civic Type R. I've been waiting for this for so much time now. So today we are going to actually install the PRL High Volume Intake. PRL was actually kind enough to, when they knew I was about to get a Civic Type R, they told me, well, once you get the car, we got something for you. And they actually sent me the, well, their brand new High Volume Intake, so I can't wait to install it on the Civic Type R. There's already some induction noise on the Civic Type R, but I mean, the more the better. So we are going to take the Jetta out, take the Civic Type R in, and start installing that thing.
I almost forgot. Yesterday I started working on that thing, and I need to reassemble a couple of parts before getting the car out. And so I will do that. Then we are going to bring the car inside. My bad.
And by the way, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you love that kind of content. I'm still trying to find my way through YouTube. It's not easy. I'm not doing the best vlog ever. I'm just trying my best to bring you quality. I feel like over the past year, I've been doing better and better with my videos, but you know, I love your support, guys. I already have a ton of you following me on Instagram. I would love to have more of you on YouTube. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It means the world to me. And also like the video. Drop a comment if you liked it. Even if you don't, leave a comment. I want to read you guys. So that's the best way I can improve myself. So enough talking. Let's take the car out and do the switch.
So we're done cleaning that thing. Looks all pretty. I'm gonna put that aside right there and put it outside of the shop. Gentle. Let's fire that thing up. By the way, brand new radio. I'm going to do a video about this. Now it's the same as what you see in the movie. Okay, so the car's inside the shop right now, and well, let's do first step, which is open up the hood so we can remove parts. By the way, just installed my JDM clear side markers, and I love them. So cool. So, and they also say in the instruction you need to let your engine cool down, but I just did like a freaking power run with the car, so now everything's boiling in there. It's gonna be fun. So note to mention, you need to put your hood, it's very important, that's the most important step. You need to put the hood in the Honda boy position. So it's been a few minutes since the car was driven inside the shop. It's cooling down right now, so I think it will be fine to work on it. But in the meantime, let's take a look at Prl Motorsports Intake. The packaging, by the way, is honestly have nothing to say. It's just perfect. So right there you got the hair box for the car. Yeah, it looks really nice, by the way, and it feels like it's gonna be just a perfect fit inside the car, and it looks almost OEM, which I really like. We got the inlet tube right there, and it's a very high volume intake tube. Some parts, and I think this is the biggest. Well, there's a bunch of clips and wires and everything, but and also very important, stickers. Everyone loves stickers, but let's focus on that thing, by the way. I never seen such a big filter. Look at this. Is that like 4 or 5 inch? By the way, this, I may put one on the car somewhere and another on my Craftsman toolbox. So very important, we need to keep these. And over here, there's the MAF housing. Now I just opened the box for the MAF housing, and honestly, look at this. Beautiful CNC part with some kind of a velocity stack. Yep. Very high quality parts. Oh, and there's a card here. Package with care by Eric. So thank you for this, Eric. You did a tremendous job. So I love that. Please check that all content of your order have been included in your package, as we are only human. I mean, that's a nice touch, man. I really appreciate that. So let's put that aside for now, and we are going to remove this intake. I've heard on the internet that these are painfully hard to remove, but since it's a brand new car, not even like 500 miles on it, I feel like it's going to be not a walk in the park, but it's going to be easy. So let's jump right into it. So after a few moments of trying stuff out, this is the final product. So this is the airbox with the filter and everything, and now we are going to remove the stock airbox and replace it with the new PRL.
So guys, we are actually a couple days after the beginning of this video. We ran into some issues. I made an error when I ordered my intake. I ordered the intake with the piping for the oversized inlet pipe that PRL is also offering. And so that means I couldn't install my high volume intake from PRL. So I got in touch with Spencer at PRL, and well, he told me, well, I got something for you. And they sent me overnight the inlet conversion, or the inlet system, the PRL inlet system for the Civic Type R. But they sent me their newest edition, which by the title you probably saw that. This is the first Civic Type R in the world running the brand new PRL inlet tube with the new coating. This new coating is supposed to dissipate heat much better than the raw titanium of the other kit that is also available on their website. So we are going to install that. I'm halfway through, as you can see, and I'm going to show you the system and also give you my honest thoughts on the fit and finish of the part. And also we're going to take this car for a spin, because from what I've heard, it's supposed to sound, well, it's going to spool much louder. So let's go.
So as you can see, the elbow is installed. The bolt at the bottom on the turbo were quite hard to get, but so far it looks quite nice. There's a bunch of bolts that I need to tighten up, and then the intake tube, and we're done. Okay, so almost done. Everything is kind of together now. I had some problems fitting both ends at the same time, so I undid the bolt so I can move this. Now I'm going to reposition everything, tighten the bolt, and go for a test drive. So far everything's nice. We're going to give it some rev now. Okay, let's do some rev. Oh, that's nice. So we are going to test the PRL inlet tube with the high volume intake, and from what I've heard, it's pretty noisy in a good way. As soon as you get on the throttle, you can definitely see that the car is spooling way quicker. I love the sound, to be be honest, I love the sound. And even if you're not hard on the throttle, you can definitely hear it more. There's some induction noise already from factory, but now this is much more not intense, but you definitely feel like you're driving more of a race car or something with like a big turbo setup. That was not even a quarter of the throttle. And even on the upper end of the RPMs, it pulls way better.
So seriously, I'm super impressed about how this whole intake system for the car alongside the inlet tube makes the car way more alive, if that makes any sense. So a huge shout out to PRL Motorsport for being part of this project. Also, if you want to buy the same parts I have on my car, I'm going to put the link in the description down below. Please let me know in the comment what would you like to see next on the Civic Type R. Because I'm open to actually everything. Well, not everything, but all the good ideas are welcome. So let me know what would you like to see next on this car, and maybe even this car, who knows. Anyway, in the next video, I'm going to be installing the hybrid racing shifter kit for the Civic Type R. So I'll get crisper shifting with the car, so it's going to be super fun. Don't forget to subscribe to see all the next video coming your way, and until then, I see you in the next one.